the magic of invisible hair systems. In a world where naturalness is important, invisible hair systems have gained immense popularity. These cutting-edge hair systems blend seamlessly with your own hair, becoming virtually undetectable. Whether you want to regain your confidence, experiment with different hairstyles, or explore hair restoration, understanding invisible hair systems is essential. Invisible hair systems represent a remarkable evolution in hair restoration. Made of finely crafted materials like ultra-thin polyurethane bases and super-thin breathable lace bases filled with real human hair, these systems are designed to be virtually undetectable. The artistry lies in their ability to seamlessly integrate with your existing hair, creating a flawless, natural look. What makes invisible hair systems virtually undetectable? It's a combination of two critical elements. First, the ultra-thin and breathable bases lie flat against your scalp, ensuring a seamless and comfortable fit. Second, the real human hair strands are attached to the hair system. Specialized techniques like invisible knots help achieve a natural, undetectable transition from the hair system to your own hair. Invisible hair systems differ significantly from traditional hair systems. Traditional systems often rely on thicker and more noticeable bases, resulting in an artificial appearance, while invisible hair systems are crafted with a focus on discretion and naturalness. Let's recap. The key ingredient for the invisible hair system lies in their ultra-thin, breathable bases that conform closely to the scalp, allowing them to virtually disappear when worn.